Maintenance of the chain that powers the belt conveyor cannot be overlooked. This chain, when properly tensioned, shifts the appropriate amount of nutrients to the chute for dispersal. Start by measuring the tension on your chain. The distance from the chain to the sill should be approximately 36 to 40 inches on each side. If your tension is off, move to each side of the bed to adjust. First, loosen the jammed nut. Then, tighten your adjustment screw. Once the appropriate tension is achieved, retighten your jam nut to hold. Finish with chain lubrication. Use 3 parts diesel fuel to 1 part new motor oil to reduce wear on your chain and keep it functioning properly. Used motor oil is not recommended for this application since it is more acidic in nature.